channel. So today I got another video on the 2018 Chevy Colorado. I know these videos aren't that popular. You guys wondering where the Camaro is, it's still here. I just haven't really done anything to it this winter because the budget's a little smaller this year. So this year I'm gonna get the gears fixed. I bought a new set of 373 gears for it. I'm gonna go with 373s instead of 390s. And once I get that done, hopefully I'll get it done right this time. I think I know where I went wrong. And we'll test that, and then I'll get the torque converter in it. So that's about all that, that's probably all the modifications the Camaro's going to get this year. But like I said, it's winter, that's why you're seeing so many of the truck videos. The truck's going to be 6 years old here soon, so it's got some maintenance that needs to be done. And anyway, today, I've always undercoated this truck. One thing I never did was remove the wheel liners and spray up under there. And I have a feeling that when I had it done at the shop, they never did that either. So we're going to do that today. Living where I do, we get a lot of snow and they use a lot of salt on the road. And usually the #1 killer of vehicles around here is rust. That's usually what puts them in the junkyard. So anyway, the original plan was to have another new truck by now, but the reason I haven't is because the prices, in my opinion, are sky high. So that makes it even more important to try and protect the vehicle you have now and keep it maintained as best you can to try to make it last as long as possible. Just to give you an example, I got the window sticker here. And originally, I bought this truck in 2018 for $40,985. And I think there was actually some kind of rebate on it when I got it, so it was a little bit cheaper than that. Well, to buy a 2024 Chevy Colorado Z71, that's option, the same as this one, you're looking at somewhere between $53,000 and $55,000. That's around a 35% increase since 2018. In my opinion, that's too much. And the interest rates are over double what they were when I bought this one. So that's why you're seeing a lot of videos on this truck. I got a lot of things I got to do to it. And I want to try and protect it, make it last as long as possible. So today we're going to remove them wheel liners and get it undercoated up in there. Okay, so we'll start by putting the jack stand under here. Then we'll remove the wheel. Okay, so remove the wheel liner. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then you got a couple in here. I'll have to use a little brake clean to get them cleaned out. This 12, 13, there's another one right here, but I'm going to leave that 'cause I'm just going to pull this out. Oh, there's one there. I think this is 14. Okay, and then we got there's a couple push pins. One right here. And there's one. And there's one right here. That should allow that to come out. Start up in here first. Pull it out of here. Should come out here. And And then it'll drop down out of the way so you can get into here. Now I've never sprayed in here, and I don't think anyone has. No. Even when I got done at the shop, they didn't spray in here. But luckily it's in good shape, but we'll keep her in good shape by spraying it down. Okay, so now we got the wheel liner out of the way. We're just going to spray everything down in here. Okay, so we got it all sprayed up in here. Now we'll put the wheel liner back on. Okay, so once you get the wheel liner back in, just go around, put all the screws back in. I'm going to put them in by hand instead of using the drill, just so I don't over tighten them. Okay, once you get all the screws and the push pins put back in, you can just go ahead and put your tire back on. Okay, so here's an important tip. If you're going to do any work like this that requires removing the wheels, you got to invest in a torque wrench. This truck here calls for 140 foot-pounds of torque on each one of the lug nuts. You want to go around each one, making sure that they're at 140 foot-pounds. Now, I usually go, once I get them all at 100, well, I usually do it in a crisscross pattern. And then when I'm done, I go around the whole thing again, just to double check. And it actually doesn't hurt. But after you've had it out for, oh, I don't know, 50 miles or so, go back around and check it again. Very important. Okay, so we're going to do the front. We're going to start by removing the wheel. Okay, so the camera quit while I was doing this. But anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then there's 2 push pins, one here and one here. So we'll get those push pins out. That's a screw as well. Oh, I missed another one. I'll get my eyes checked, I guess. Okay, so that's with the liner removed. Looks like we got somebody living here. I don't know why they would put like something that holds water like that in there. Just wonder it ain't rusted. Okay, so that'll need to be cleaned out. I'm surprised it hasn't started rust. I don't know why they got this felt thing in here that hold moisture. But anyway, we'll clean that all out and we'll give her a good spray down. I can see that it doesn't look like it's ever been done, but there's no rust. A little bit of rust there on the body mount. Nothing serious, we'll spray that. Anyway, we're going to clean this up. Okay, so we got it all sprayed up in here. So I'm going to have to remember to do this next year too. So I've undercoated this truck every year since I got it. A couple times I had it done at a shop, but I never thought to remove these wheel liners. I should have. Anyway, I will from now on. The good thing is the wheel liners does protect it, because it should have, like especially down in there, it should have been starting to rust with all the junk that was in there. Anyway, we got that all cleaned out, we got her sprayed, and that'll be part of the undercoat from now on. We'll make sure to remove these and get up in here. So I got the wheel liner back up in. Now all I gotta do is put the wheel back on and we're done. And I'll go and do the other side. Anyway guys, if you want your vehicle to last, these are some of the things you need to do if you live in an area that uses salt. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.